buddy?
What are you eating, buddy? Tell everyone what you're eating for dinner. Strawberries, right?
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
We're eating pizza.
Pizza.
And strawberry.
Strawberry. And then mommy gave you a piece of what?
Quesadilla.
Quesadilla, that's right.
And what are you drinking?
Uh,
What's Nathan eating?
broccoli.
Broccoli, broccoli.
Broccoli in my tummy.
Broccoli in your tummy?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Isn't your brother Nicholas silly?
Yeah. Are you eating the broccoli? He's not gonna like pull off a big piece, is he?
If he does, it's okay. His gum, he's got to practice chewing. His gums are very strong, and he can smash food, even though there's no teeth.
Excuse me.